So currently in Osaka and getting a well-needed haircut here by this gentleman, and it's limited English of course, but everyone knows a fade, so I'm happy. Yes guys, that was a very quick haircut here in Osaka. Needed it so badly, and I love how you just walk in and the gentleman doesn't speak English, just a little bit, and I mean quite enough to understand what I wanted, so otherwise you just use your Google Translator of course. But yeah, here we are, Osaka, beautiful city as well. Okay guys, currently inside a gaming hall. I haven't seen nothing like this before. This is epic. There's just like games everywhere. This is kind of like a casino, but just like small computer games. And this place is like a party place. Wow. Can't believe this. This place is massive. There are like 2 floors just with all these games. It's crazy, guys. Obviously these people have too much money. This is dope. Wow, never seen something like this. Shit is going on here. I kind of want to try something out here, but I got no clue how it works. Let me see if I can find something. Honestly guys, I didn't expect Osaka to be this dope, but honestly, it's epic. Yeah, really love the vibe here, and went to have some takoyaki, some squid. Let's try it out. It's a tough call which city is the better down here, especially between Tokyo and Osaka. I feel they are competing each other so well, and it's difficult to say which one is the better. I like Osaka really well. Tokyo was fantastic, a lot of people there, but they are 2 different vibes, I'd say, so you can't compare them one to one, but each has its own flavor, and I love it really.